support progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Before I turn it over to Detective Superintendent Waite, I would like to offer my sincere condolences on behalf of the London Police Service to the family, friends, and loved ones of the victims of this tragedy. Our thoughts remain with the young boy still in hospital. Supports for individuals impacted by this tragedy have been mobilized, and we will release information on accessing those supports at the conclusion of this news conference. We understand that this event may cause fear and anxiety in the community, and in particular, the Muslim community, and any community targeted by hate. I want to reassure all Londoners that all of us on the call today, and many others, stand with you and support you. There is no tolerance in this community for individuals who, motivated by hate, target others with violence. Today, we have met with community leaders and have offered our support to the affected communities now and in the days and weeks ahead, as they grieve the loss and injury of their brothers and sisters. I'd like to take a moment to thank all first responders who attended to the incident and provided life-saving efforts to the victims. This is a traumatic event for them as well. We continue to actively support our members, and I know our emergency services partners are doing the same. I'd also like to thank members of the community who stopped to offer support and assistance last night, those who called 911, and those who remained with the victims until first responders arrived.